Hey guys, welcome back to Delph Stack, and today I will be showing you how to hide followers on TikTok without private account. So guys, you cannot fully hide your followers on a public TikTok account, but you can use the feature of TikTok following list privacy settings to control who see who you follow. So, in order for you to proceed with this process, first thing, just simply go ahead and open up the TikTok application into your device. And now, from here, guys, you will just simply go ahead and tap on profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, once you are on your profile, select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and now just simply go to the very bottom, which is the settings and privacy. Now, here on the settings and privacy, you can just simply go ahead and go to the account category and you will have the privacy option over here. So go ahead and tap on it and you will have an option over here. If you scroll down, following list. So go ahead and tap on following list over here. And from here, guys, you should be able to hide your followers on TikTok without going private account by tapping in only you. If you select only you, other users will only see mutual friends but not all of your following list. So pretty much you could utilize this feature to hide your followers without going private into TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.